Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the phone here. So let's tap on it, enter your contacts and find the contact you'd like to edit. And tap on it, of course. Then let's tap on this camera icon in the circle, and as you can see, we've got three different options from which you can choose. So you can either pick the stickers, you can open the camera app, so this is the best option if you've got the person in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose the photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it, and I want to find. Basically, I forgot to download the photo, but that's okay. I will do it here right now. All right, we've got it downloaded, so we can go back to this section. Let's tap on the photo you'd like to use, and as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size of this square and the circle. Basically, we can also change the position of it. It is because that whatever will appear in this circle, it will also be shown on the contact. So just set it like you want to and tap on done if you're ready. As you can see, this is how it will look like, but remember to tap on save right here. And here we've got our contact, and you can see it also on the contact list. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.